Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Maytag washer wouldn't start just clicks. Let's dive in. The first issue may be the power supply issue. To resolve this, ensure the washer is plugged into the working electrical outlet. Test the outlet with another device. Check the circuit breaker and reset it if necessary. The second issue may be the door switch issue. Ensure the door or lid is fully closed and latched. Open and close the lid firmly. Listen for a click sound. Check for obstructions like clothing or debris. Test the switch with a multimeter for continuity and replace it defective. The next issue may be the control lock activity. To resolve this, look for control lock indicator light. Press and hold the lock or start button for 3 seconds to deactivate. Refer to the user manual for instructions if necessary. The next issue may be the start button not working. To resolve this, press the start button to ensure it's responsive. If the button feels stuck, gently tap around it to dislodge any debris. Inspect for internal faults if it remains unresponsive. The next issue may be the washer setting issue. To resolve this, ensure a voice cycle is selected. Check if the delay start feature is activated and cancel if it's necessary. Verify that the settings are appropriate for starting the washer. The next issue may be reset washer. To resolve this, unplug the washer from the power outlet. Wait for at least 1 minute, plug it back in and try starting the cycle again. The next issue may be the timer malfunction. To resolve this, check if the timer is advancing properly during the cycle. If the timer seems stuck, test it with a multimeter for continuity. Replace the timer if faulty. The next issue may be the drive motor issue. To resolve this, listen for unusual clicking noises during an attempt to start. Test the motor using multimeter for functionality. If defective, the motor may need replacement. The next issue may be the control board issue. To resolve this, disconnect the washer from power, remove the control panel cover and inspect the control board for signs of damage like burned component or loose wires. Reconnect any loose wires securely or replace the board if damaged. The next issue may be the internal faults. To resolve this, contact Maytag customer support for further guidance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.